Yeah, so we were there. I was supposed to do the question answers with you. So first, I'll just explain about the Swadeshi and the boycott. We have Patanjali products here in India. It's said made in India, and it's made in Bharat. So the things which are made in India, but the raw materials, the resources which are taken from India and made in India are called actually made in India. So we have made in China also. We made in Taiwan, made in Japan. Most of our mobiles are all made in China or made in Japan or Taiwan. And the easiest things at that time was to go into textile mills, cloth mills, and banks opened, Indian banks. Soap and pen was very easy to make. Soap factory is very easy to make soaps. So at that time they started making that, and British goods, whatever they used to sell in India, they had thrown it and started burning it. That is called Swadeshi. Stop Videshi and start Swadeshi. Swadeshi means your own country. And then boycott. They started boycotting. Goods were boycotted. They said we will not use your goods. We will only use Indian goods. And then students and all followed. Students, because they started getting educated, they knew what wrong is happening. So students and women also joined. Like in the when you go to senior classes, you will come to know about the French Revolution. Women, how they fought in during the 19 areas. In the years before that, in 1907, 18th century, 19th century, how people fought, and the women were fighting then also. They were very strong. So we'll come to know as you grow older and you go to the next senior classes. And the movement spread all over India. People came to know, they were getting all the information, and this is how things created. And schools opened, institutions opened, banks opened. Education system was followed. Our Indian education system they had of following, but they were put into jails, hate, kicked, shot dead, but nothing of that pulled them back. They said we are going to fight for our freedom and for our rights. That's why today we are free. Okay, and we have Muhammad Ali Jinnah here with Mahatma Gandhi. And under the leadership of Nawab Samilullah Khan in Dhaka, Aga Khan joined it soon after Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined the Muslim League in 1913 with Bangladesh. Okay, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And it was at that time also, it was a part of India, but it was separated. Okay, so now we come to the fill in the blanks. Listen very carefully. I will repeat it twice each fill in the blanks, and you can pause my video and listen to it again. So in 1757, 1A, 1757, with the victory in the Battle of Plassey, the British laid the foundation of its colonial rule in India. In 1757, with the victory in the Battle of Plassey, the British, in that fill in the blanks will be British, laid the foundation of its colonial rule in India. Number B, the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857 was the introduction of the Enfield rifle. Enfield rifle. The immediate cause of the revolt of 1857 was the introduction of the Enfield rifle. Didn't I tell you that they had made the grease of the cartridge was with pig fat and cow fat, so they had to open it with their mouth and put the bullets in. So there were a lot of Hindus and Muslims, so that they did not like that. It was against the religion. So that was the immediate effect. That was the cause of the riot of 1857 revolt. Bahadur Shah was removed. Bahadur Shah II was removed from the Red Fort, Delhi, and sent to Burma, which is now Myanmar. Number D. Okay, I'll repeat number C again. Bahadur Shah II was removed from the Red Fort, Delhi, and sent to Burma, now in Myanmar. An important part of the protest against the partition of Bengal was the launching of the dash and boycott movements. That was Swadeshi and boycott movements. Swadeshi. Number D. Number E is dash partitioned Bengal in 1905. Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal in 1905. Lord Curzon. Okay. True and false. Number A. The Portuguese made India their colony. Wrong. They had traded. They had found a sea road to India. Okay. But I'll just overcheck it because it might be. Okay, you can say true. They did not make a colony, but they started a trade route and they started doing business there. But we can say that no, it's untrue. They did not make their colony there. They first Portuguese made India their colony. Put it true. There's a part of it the Portuguese were there in India. True. Jahangir gave the British the port of Surat. Correct. True. Jahangir gave the British the port of Surat. True. The British were defeated in the Battle of Plassey. False. Tilak newspaper Kesari praised the British for their work. False. India became independent in 1919. False. So it will be true, true, false, false, false. Okay. First two are true, or rest three are false. A and B is true, C, D, E is false. Now choose the correct answer. When did Vasco da Gama discover a new sea route to India? 1498 CE. The number 1. Question number 3. Choose the correct answers. A, answer is 1. B, who had established the trading company in Chandan Nagar? The French. Who defeated Siraj ud Dawla? Robert Clive. Who believed in the British sense of justice? Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, Dada Bhai Naroji. All of these. When was the Muslim League formed? December 1906. The Muslim League. When was the Muslim League formed? December 1906. Then we come to unscramble the letters to form the correct words. A battle in 1757 between Siraj-ud-Dawla and the British. Battle of Plassey. It's there. I can give it to you. I like doing unscrabbling. He was also known. See, I have not solved anything. It's blank. I'll just tell you the answers. It's blank. I have not solved it. I'm telling you. He was also known as a soldier in the British Army. Sepoy. He made Indian made goods. Swadeshi. Refusal to take part in something. Boycott. A law passed by the British. Rowlatt Act. The Rowlatt Act. Answer the following questions. Who discovered the sea route to India? Who discovered a new sea route to India and when? Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, discovered a new sea route to India in 1498. Who discovered a new sea route to India and when? Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, discovered a new sea route to India in 1498. Why did the Battle of Plassey take place and between whom? What was the result? The Battle of Plassey took place because the British wanted to conquer Bengal as it was the richest province in the country. This battle took place between Siraj-ud-Dawla, the Nawab of Bengal, and Robert Clive. The British emerged victorious and Siraj-ud-Dawla was put to death. Clear? And then we have the next question is, what was the immediate cause of the revolt 1857? The immediate cause of the revolt 1857 was the introduction of the Enfield rifle. The cartridge of this rifle had a greased cover which had to be bitten off before use. This hurted the religious sentiments of the Hindus and Muslims because it is said to be used with pig fat, and the grease was made with pig fat and cow fat. Discuss one effect of the revolt of 87. The one effect of the revolt of 1857 was Bahadur Shah was defeated, Mughal Empire came to an end. The rule of the English East India Company ended. The rule was replaced by the British governor, that is the Queen Victoria. Okay. What was the early nationalist phase of the Indian National Congress? The Indian National Congress was formed to draw attention of the British government to the problem faced by the Indians. It did so through prayers and petitions. This was the moderate phase of the Indian National Congress. Okay, clear? So now you can do it yourself. So be good, stay good, take care. Next class will come with the freedom struggle and the Gandhian phase. That I'll do again. Okay, so be good, be safe, stay home, play, do your taekwondo, and do whatever you want after you do your studies, and take care of your parents and respect them and love them as much as you can. Bye bye. Class 5.